This is winter decorating season, and most people think that the best way to cap off a beautiful arrangement is with a bow. And if that's you, then you're probably asking either, how do I make a bow, or can you make us a bow, because I don't know how to make one of these guys. And I'm not the best at it either, so that's why I roped in Jane, who has literally made hundreds of bows here at Heeman's. Thousands of bows here at Heeman's, you lose count. And she's going to show you how we make our bows here at Heeman's. Take it away, Jane.
Okay, first of all, you need one of these floral wires. You have your tail. You make it as long as you want. So you take your ribbon and you make a loop, twist it, make another loop, twist, make another loop, twist, make another loop, twist, you loop it again, twist it, loop it right into the center, and then you make your little center, and then you pinch it off. Then you grab your wire and you put it right through the center, around the back, and you twist it, put it together, and you twist it. All right, and there's your bow. So then you take your scissors and you cut the other end as long as you want. So then you take your bow and you just fluff it if you need to fluff it, because everybody's not perfect doing it all at the same time.
So once you have your beautiful bow, you're going to be putting it in your arrangement. And I got a couple tips to show you how to do that. So we're going to grab an arrangement and we're going to put them in there. Thanks, Jane.
You're welcome.
So Jane's made us a beautiful bow. You've made a beautiful bow. Now we need to put it in our beautiful arrangement to cap it all off. What we're going to do though, we have this wire that's really helpful, but we're actually going to go back to our scrap heap from making the greens, and I have this from our white pine. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to cut this on a sharp angle. So we got a nice pointed end that we can stick into this arrangement, and then we're going to cut this one. And what we have here now is a branch that we're going to use to anchor this. So what we do is we take this stem from the white pine, and we're going to take our wire, we're going to wrap it around there, just like so. So afterwards, our wire is wrapped on the stem, and what we're going to do with that, now we have the wire at the top that we can wiggle around, and so we're going to take this pointed end and stick it into the arrangement. And with the arrangement, even though the bow usually goes towards the front, we're not going to put it at the bottom, because then it's going to be pushing up against the greens. When you get a present, usually the bow's not on the side of the box, it's on the top of the box, maybe off to the side. So that's what we're going to do with this one here. We're going to be putting it in the arrangement towards the top. We're going to stab that in there, and then we're going to just let it kind of fall just like so. And that's how you make a bow and put it in your arrangement. With another tip from Heeman's, this has been Will. Thanks so much for watching.